Exercise 3.3, question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. First one, x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So now we get two equations. First we are going to solve with the elimination method. So two equations we are going to write. X plus y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 4 here. So now in order to get the same, we are going to multiply the first with 2 here. So now we will get 2x plus 2y equal to 10. The second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now changing the signs, here minus, here plus, here minus. Then we can cancel 2x. Now 2y plus 3y, that means 5y, that equal to 10 minus 4, that equal to 6. Then y equal to 6 by 5 here. So this is y value that equal to 6 by 5. Now we are going to see the x value. The first equation is x plus y equal to 5. Then we are going to see the second equation, which is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now we are going to multiply with 3 here in order to cancel y variable. So when you are going to multiply with 3, we will be getting here 3x plus 3y equal to 15. So now we are going to change the signs here. Now already signs are different. We are going to cancel y here. Now 3, 2 we will be getting. So y cancel here. So 3, 2 we will getting 5x. So that equal to 15, 4 we get 19 and x is equal to 19 by 5 here. So y value is 6 by 5 and x value is 19 by 5. So now we are going to see the substitution method. Substitution method. So in this first equation is x plus y equal to 5. So we are going to find the y value here. So y equal to 5 by x here. So now we know y value. Now we are going to input in the equation 2 here. So what is equation 2? That is 2x minus 3y equal to 4 here. And we are going to input this y value in this equation. That means 2x minus 3 into 5 minus x equal to 4 here. So now 2x minus 15 minus here plus 3x equal to 4 here. Now we know 5x equal to 15, 4 we get 19 and x equal to 19 by 5 here. Now x value we got, we are going to input in the equation 1, which is x plus y equal to 5 here. X plus y equal to 5. So when you are going to input x value, which is 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5, then y equal to 5 minus 19 by 5 here. So that equal to now 5 here, 25 minus 19 which is equal to 6 by 5 here. So y value 6 by 5. So in the substitution and in elimination methods we get same answers here. Question number 2, 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So now we are going to see the substitution method here. Substitution method. So in the substitution method, so we have first equation which is 3x plus 4y equal to 10 here. Now we are going to find y value here, which is y equal to, that is 4y equal to 10 minus 3x and y equal to 10 minus 3x by 4 here. So this is a y, and we are going to input this y variable in equation 2 here, which is 2x minus 2y equal to 2 here. Now 2x minus 2, 10 minus 3x by 4, which is equal to 2 here. T plus 6x here, 4, that equal to 2 here. Now we are going to take the LCM, which is 4, and we get here 2 into 4, 8x minus 20x plus 6x, which is equal to 2 here. So now 8x, 6x, 14x minus 20 and 4 into 2, which is 8. 14x, that equal to 20, goes there, we get 20 plus 8, 28, and x equal to 28 by 14, which is equal to 2 here. So we got 2 x equal to, so we got x equal to 2 here. Now we are going to substitute in a y value. Y equal to 10 minus 3 into 2 by 4 here. Then y equal to 10 minus 6 by 4. Then y equal to 4 by 4, that equal to 1 here. So here y equal to 1, x equal to 2 here. First elimination method. Here elimination method. So now first equation, which is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Next 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So now we are going to multiply with 2 here. In order to cancel y value, we get here 4x minus 4y equal to 4 here. So we got two equations here. Two equations. First is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Next 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Now 4y cancel here. We get 3 4, which is 7x, that equal to 10 4, that will be 14. Then x equal to 14 by 7, which is equal to 2 here. Now taking these two equations, 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Now multiplying the first equation with 2 and second equation by 3 here. Then we get two equations, which is 6x plus 8y equal to 20, and here 6x minus 6y equal to 6 here. Now here we are going to change the signs, here minus plus and here minus. Now we are going to cancel 6y, 6x, 6x. Now 8y, 6y equal to 14y, and here we get 20. So 14y equal to 20 minus 6, which is 14 here. Then y equal to 14 by 14, which is equal to 1 here. So we get x value 2, y value 1. Question number 3. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. So 9x equal to 2y plus 7. So we are going to write 3x minus 5y equal to 4, and here 9x minus 2y equal to 7 here. So elimination method. So first, in order to cancel x variable, we are going to multiply the first equation by 3 here. So when you are going to multiply this with 3, we will be getting 9x minus 15y equal to 12 here. And second equation, which is 9x minus 2y equal to 7 here. So now changing the signs here, changing the signs, 9x will cancel, minus 15 plus 2y, which we get minus 13y, that equal to 12 minus 7, we get 5 here. Then y equal to minus 5 by 13 here. So now the two equations, in order to cancel y, we are going to multiply this 3x minus 5y equal to 4, and second 9x minus 2y equal to 7. In order to cancel y variable, we are going to multiply the first equation with 2 and second equation with 5 here. So now we are going to get here 6x minus 10y equal to 8, and here which is 45x, 9 into 5, and 5 2 we get minus 10y, which is equal to 7 into 5, that is 35. So now changing the signs here, minus, here plus, and here minus. Now y cancel here. Now we get minus 45, 6x, which is minus 39x, and that equal to here minus 35 plus 8, which is 27 here. So we get x equal to minus 27 by 39 here, and y value minus 5 by 13. So here 8 minus 35, so here minus 27, and x equal to minus 27 by minus 39, which equal to 27 by 39 here. Y equal to minus 5 by 13 here. Now substitution method. Substitution method, we are going to see the x and y values. Now first equation we know 3x minus 5y equal to 4, and second equation we know, which is 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Now y value we are going to see here, which is 5y equal to 4 minus 3x, and here when you are going to change the sign, we get 5y equal to 3x minus 4. Now yb equal to 3x minus 4 by 5 here. This y we are going to substitute here. So here means 9x minus 2 into 3x minus 4 by 5, that equal to 7. So here 9x minus 2 into 6x minus 8 here by 5, which is equal to 7. So now taking LCM 5 here, we get 45x minus 6x minus minus plus 8, that equal to 7 here. So now 5 goes there, 35 here, the 45 minus 6x, which is 39x plus 8, that equal to 35. So 39x equal to 35 minus 8. So here 39x, that equal to here 27. Then x equal to 27 by 39 here. Keeping x value here, so y equal to 3 into 27 by 39 minus 4 by 5 here. So y equal to here 3, here 13 times. Then we get 27 by 13 minus 4 by 5 here. Now 5 goes there, which is 5y equal to 27 by 13 minus 4. Now 5y equal to 13, here 27 minus 13 into 4, which is 52. So now 5y equal to here minus 25 by 13 here. Then y equal to minus 25 by 13 into 5. Now here 5 times, then that equal to minus 5 by 13 here. So x equal to 27 by 39, y equal to minus 5 by 39. Now fourth one, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. X minus y by 3 equal to 3. So now we are going to simplify this. We get the equations taking the LCM here, which is 6 here, and here 3x plus 2 into 2y, which is 4y, that equal to minus 1. So now 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. So this is the first equation. Now here taking LCM, which is 3. So here 1, here 3 into 1, which is 3x minus y, which is equal to 3 here. So now 3x minus 4 equal to 3 into 3, which is 9, which is second equation here. Now taking first and second equation, now elimination method we are going to do. This is elimination method. So now 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Here 3x minus here y here, 3x minus y equal to 9 here. So these are the two equations. Now we are going to change the sign, here minus, here plus, here minus. Now x will cancel. 4y plus y, which will be 5y, that equal to minus 6 minus 9, which will be minus 15. Then y equal to minus 15 by 5, which is equal to minus 3 here. Now two equations, 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y equal to 9. Now we are going to eliminate y variable now. So to eliminate, we are going to multiply with 4 here. So when you multiply with 4, we get 12x minus 4y, that equal to 36 here. Now two equations we got. Now we are going to eliminate here, which is 3x plus 4y, that equal to minus 6. The second is 12x minus 4y, that equal to 36. So now here 4y cancel here. Now 12 plus 3, which will be 15x, that equal to 36 minus 6, which is 30 here. So x equal to 30 by 15, which equal to 2 here. Next, substitution method. So we get two equations, which is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Another equation we got 3x minus y equal to 9 here. So now we are going to see the y value here. Suppose here y value we are going to see minus y equal to 9 minus 3x and y equal to 3x minus 9 here. So this y value we are going to substitute here. That means 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 9 equal to minus 6. That means 3x plus 12x minus 4 into 9, which is 36, that equal to minus 6. So now 12 we get 15x, that equal to minus 6 plus 36. Then x equal to, that means 15x equal to 30 here, and x equal to 30 by 15, that equal to 2 here. Now x value are going to substitute here. Y equal to 3 into 2 minus 9. Then y equal to 6 minus 9. Then y equal to minus 3 here. So x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. Question number 2. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by the elimination method. First one, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? So let the fraction be x and y. Suppose here x, y here. So now in the first case we are going to say, if we add 1 to the numerator, that means x plus 1, and subtract 1 from the denominator, and we here y minus 1. Now a fraction reduces to 1 here. Reduces to 1 means here equal to 1 here. Next equation, it becomes 1 by 2. it becomes 1 by 2 means that equal to 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to the denominator, if it is x and y, suppose x by y, if we add only 1 to the denominator, that means x plus 1, then it will become 1 by 2 here. So these are the two equations. So when these two equations are there, when you are going to simplify, which is x plus 1 that equal to y minus 1, that equal to x minus 1 equal to minus 1 which will be minus 2 here. Here x, here cross multiplication 2x equal to y plus 1, that means 2x minus y that equal to 1 here. Now by elimination method, when you are going to see here x minus 2, x minus y equal to minus 2, here 2x minus y equal to 1. So now we get two equations, which is x minus y equal to minus 2, 2x minus y equal to 1. So now x minus y equal to minus 2 here. So now next 2x minus y equal to 1. So now changing the signs, which is minus plus and here minus. So now here y will cancel, and minus 2x plus x, which will become minus x, which equal to minus 2 minus 1, which will become 3 minus 3, and x equal to 3 here. So now this first equation we are going to multiply with 2 in order to cancel x values. So when you multiply this with 2, we get 2x minus 2y that equal to minus 4, and second equation 2x minus y that equal to 1 here. Now changing the signs here, changing the signs, we get a minus 2x plus 2x cancel here. Here minus 2 plus y, which will be minus y that equal to 4 minus 1, which will be minus 5. So y equal to 5 here. Now we get x equal to 3, y equal to 5. That means x by y will become 3 by 5 here. So this is the fraction we are going to see. Second one, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So let Nuri equal to x and Sonu equal to y here. So now 5 years ago, the Nuri age will be x minus y, x minus 5, and Sonu will be y minus 5 here. Next 10 years later, Nuri will be 10 years later, that means 10 years later. 10 years later, Nuri, this is Nuri age, this is Sonu age. Nuri age will be x plus 10 and Sonu age will be y plus 10 here. Now the condition is given, 5 years ago Nuri will be thrice as old as Sonu. That means Nuri will be thrice as old as Sonu, means 3 into Sonu. That means x minus 5 equal to 3 into y minus 5 here. Now in the second case, 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. That means n equal to twice Sonu, 2 into Sonu. Now Nuri x plus 10 and 2 into y plus 10 here. So now we get the equations. That means x minus 5 equal to 3y minus 15. Now x minus 3y that equal to minus 15 plus 10, which will be minus 10. And here x plus 10 that equal to 2y plus 20 here, x minus 2y that equal to 20 minus 10, which is 10 here. So these are the two equations. Now elimination method, when you are going to see elimination method, so two equations has been given, x minus 3y equal to minus 10, and here x minus 2y equal to 10 here. Now we are going to cancel x value by changing the signs, here minus, here plus, here minus. So x cancel, minus 3y plus 2y, that means minus y equal to minus 10, which will be minus 20 here, and y equal to 20 here. Now we are going to see y value, which we are going to multiply first equation with 3 and second equation with 2 here. So this we are going to multiply with 2 and this with 3 here. Now we get 2x minus 6y that equal to minus 20 here, and here we are going to multiply 3x minus 6y that equal to 20 here. Now we are going to change the signs here. Change the signs. So now here y cancel. Now here minus 3x plus 2x, which will be minus x, and minus 20 that will be minus 40. So x equal to 40 here. So here 3 into 2, this will be 10, 30 here, and 30 plus 20, which will be 50 here, and we get minus cancel, and we get 50 here. Now x value 50, y value 20. That means x is what? Nuri, and y is what? Son. So Nuri age will be 50 years and Sonu age is 20 years here. Third one, the sum of the digits of two digits number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number here. So let the number be here y and x two digit number, which will be unit place and tens place. So here we are going to see if the number is 8, then 10 digits. If the number is 18, then unit place will be 8 and tens place will be 1 here. So reversing this means we will be getting 81. So now the sum of the digits of two digits number is 9. That means one digit is x, another digit is y. That means first is x plus y equal to 9 here. The sum of x and y equal to 9. Next, also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. So 9 times this number means what is this number, which is in the form of 10y plus x here. So this is the first form. Reversing this number means the reverse number will be 10x plus y. We are going to reverse this number. So 9 times this number. 9 times this number means what is this number, which is 10y plus x. That means 9 into 10y plus x. And which will be equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. So 2 times twice means 2 into reversing the order. Reverse order will be 10x plus y. This is the order. So now when you are going to simplify here, now 90y plus 9x, that equal to 20x plus 2y here. So when you are going to see here, 90 minus 2, which will be 88y, that equal to 11x, and we get 11x minus 88y, that equal to 0. So this is the equation 2 we will be getting. This is the equation 1 we are going to get. Now two equations we get, that is x plus y equal to 9, and next is 11x minus 88y equal to 0. So now this we are going to multiply with 88 here now. Now we get equations which is 88x plus 88y, that equal to 88 into 9, we get 792 here. Now second equation which is 11x minus 88x, that equal to 0. Now y cancel here. 88 11 we get 99x, that equal to 792. Now x equal to 792 by 99, so that equal to here 8. So here we get a y value 1 and a x value 8 here. So we get a x value 8 here and a y equal to 1 here. So we know that number is 10x, 10y plus x here. So inputting the values, that means 10 into 8 plus 10 into 1 plus 8 here. That means 10 plus 8, that equal to 18 here. So this is the number. Fourth one, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and 100 rupees she received. So here let 50 notes equal to x and 100 rupees notes equal to y here. Now total number of notes are 25. That means x plus y equal to 25 here. And 50 notes and 100 notes. 2 when you are going to see, that total will be 2000 here. That means 50 notes means 50x plus 100y. The total is 2000 rupees. Now we get equation 1 and equation 2 here. Now we are going to multiply the first equation with 50 here. Now we get 50x plus 50y, that equal to 1250. Now 50x plus 100y, that equal to 2000. Now changing the signs, here xx minus, so minus 50 we are going to see, that equal to minus 750 we get, and y equal to minus 750 by minus 50, that equal to 15. Now checking the y here. So now if you are going to multiply or divide the first equation with 100. So first equation we are going to see x plus y equal to 25. Now second equation, if you are going to divide by 100, we will be getting here 1 by 2x my plus y here, and 2000 by 100 we get 20 here. Now changing the signs, y cancel, we get x value, x minus 1 by 2x, that equal to 25 minus 20, which is 5. So x minus 1 by 2x, which will be 2x minus 1, and that will be 1 by 2 only. So 1 by 2 x, that equal to 5. Now x equal to 10 here. Now we know x is 50 rupees. So 50 rupees notes. 50 rupees notes x, and y is 100 rupees notes. 100 rupees notes. So x how many rupees? 10 are there. Y is 15 are there. Fifth one, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for the book kept for 7 days, while Susi paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So now let the fixed charge equal to x, and charge per day equal to y here. So now Sarita, we know the total paid amount is 27 for 7 days. 7 days means first 3 days is x, and the rest 4 days is charge per day, which is 4y here. Next, Susi, when you are going to see the total amount she paid is 21, and for 5 days, that means first 3 days is x, and then rest 2 days is charge per day, that means 2y here. So now we get two equations here, x plus 4y equal to 27, x plus 2y equal to 21. So now we are going to eliminate x plus 4y equal to 27, x plus 2y equal to 21. Now changing the signs here, x cancel, 4 minus 2, that means 2y, that equal to 27 minus 21, which will be 6. Then y equal to 6 by 2, that equal to 3 here. Now we are going to multiply the second equation by 2 here in order to cancel y, and we get x value. That means first one, x plus 4y equal to 27, and here 2 times, that means 2x plus 4y, that equal to 42 here. Now changing the signs, y cancel, minus 2x plus x, which will be minus x, minus 42 plus 27, which will be minus 15. Then x equal to 15 here. That means the fixed charge is 15 rupees, and charge per day is 3 rupees here.